podcasts.
Welcome back to another episode of the Joy of Baking. I'm Joy Bettenhausen, and I'm sure you have a Thanksgiving party to go to. You don't want to show up empty-handed. I am going to help you make turkey cake pops. And no, there's no turkey in there. Remember last year at this time, I made some with sweet potatoes. We're leaving the turkey out of this. So what you're going to do is you're going to bake a cake. You can choose whatever flavor you want. You know I went chocolate on chocolate on chocolate. As soon as it's hot out of the oven, what you want to do is you want to take this and dump it literally right into the mixer. It helps if you just have kind of a stand-up mixer because you can let this go while you're doing everything else. So do this. Dump this all into the mixer, and again, it helps if it's hot. That way it's all kind of forms into a dough very well. What we're doing is we're taking out the frosting. We don't need the frosting for this at all. You just want to put this on a low speed, let it do its thing. What you want to do then is when the dough is done, you want to make it into balls. I already did that step. You want to freeze it for probably 20 minutes. Once you have these balls and we're ready to dip for chocolate, I'll have my expert chocolate person come in. Thank you so much. Make sure the chocolate does not harden. And what you want to do is you want to drop this essentially right into it. Also, you can put it on a stick. You don't have to do it on a stick. If you're going to do the stick option, coat the bottom of the stick first in chocolate. That's going to help it harden. And what you want to do is you want to then freeze this. So you're going to put this in the freezer for about 20 minutes or so if you can. If you don't want to do it, no worries. What we're going to do is we'll drop the other one in. So we've got our other ball, we're going to drop it right in there. And you want to do it in a cup. It's just going to be easier so you can kind of turn it all around. Take this out. Okay, how did I make a turkey, you may be wondering. 2 eyes. These are little sugar eyes here. Right there. And then for a nose, you can do sprinkles. And then for the feathers, I use dots, but you can honestly use whatever you want. You may have to hold these in place just for a little bit for them to kind of stick on. Again, you guys know how I cook. It may look a little crazy, but you know it's going to taste phenomenal. And then at the end, you can get a haystack and make it look like this, all pretty and ready to go. So you have your holiday recipe treat that you can bring. We're gonna have this full recipe on our website at ktol.com. Everyone, thanks for joining us. Stick around for the Christmas edition of the Joy of Baking next month.